Hi, I'm Gonzalo from Fly Animals. I'm at Lucky Cat Studios. We're going to play Honey for you. This is our latest release. It's on all the websites and all that good stuff. Here we go. Tonight. next song, I forget the name of the next song. Oh yeah, the next song's called "When You're Talking to Me." It's from our album "Ill," and you can find it wherever you can find this. Here we go. I get this feeling that I already met you. Maybe in the best time before. Oh, I think I've seen your face before. Oh, maybe not your face and definitely your tone of voice. And then you're talking to me, and my heart starts to show about. Then you're talking to me, and my love turns inside out. I guess you'll never know. Oh, never know. Oh, I get this strange feeling that I already met you. Maybe in the best time before. Oh, I think I've seen your face before. Oh, maybe not your face and definitely your tone of voice. When you're talking to me, and my heart starts to show about. Then you're talking to me, and my love turns inside out. I guess you'll never know. Oh, never know. Oh, it would never hurt me. Love, it would never. I love, I love, I love, I love. All right.
Hello, we are back today with Gonzalo, member of Flower Animals. How are you doing, Gonzalo?
I'm doing well. Doing well today. It's a nice hot day outside. It's been good.
Happy to hear that. So, Gonzalo, tell us, how did Flower Animals come to be?
It started off as a high school project with a drummer friend of mine who ended up leaving for college, and Flower Animals started from I got flowers from a Talking Head song called "Nothing But Flowers," and then I was really into the animals at that time, and so I was like, oh, it's kind of a good put those two words together, and it's also Flower Animals. Flowers is something that people always spend money on, or they want to buy for the loved ones. Same with animals. So I was like, a little subliminal thing right there.
Well, when did you actually start writing music and learning how to play and all that?
I think I was I was 15 when I started writing my own music. I picked up the guitar at 15, and at 16 I started writing my own music, and at 17 I started performing at bars. Yeah, that was my beginning. Yeah, bars were hard because I was just performing for like as underage performer for 4 years, and I got so used to just standing outside of the venue and waiting for them to call the band. But yeah, it was a very good experience.
And you have an amazing singing voice, by the way. Everyone knows around town, Gonzalo's got the most beautiful voice in town. So when did you start singing?
I don't think I took my voice seriously until people started telling me that it was good. Because for me, it was average. And then when I remember recording our last album with an engineer named Miles, and he said that I had a really good voice, that I should like really focus on it. So I was like, okay, I took that to heart, and I started to use it more like as an instrument, and it's been good. Yeah, it's been good time, good time singing.
Nice. All right. Give me your top all-time favorite film.
That's hard. I'm not. I'm not really that much of a film guy, but there's this one film that was scored by Philip Glass that has a really long title. I forget the name of it. It starts with a K, but it's his music the whole time, and it's really cool visuals, really cool like New York in the '70s, people in factories, like time lapse, like cars and going and shit and all that good stuff. I would say that's a good yeah.
What are some other influences that come into play when you're living your life, writing your music?
I would say people like Otis Redding, people like David Bowie, David Byrne. Who else? I'm trying to think. A lot of modern artists too, but definitely a lot like oldies, like um, even like Hank Williams Sr. from the '40s is inspirational. Um, what else? A lot of '60s band, a lot of like girl groups, a lot of doo wop, a lot, and then also of course Parliament Funkadelic, all that good stuff. George Clinton.
The library is very full, ain't it? Yeah, you definitely got an open mind when it comes to absorbing music, huh? That's good. Me too.
Yeah, you gotta have an open mind. You gotta have an open mind when approaching music or any art. It's the only way you can learn.
Nice. For anyone that's wanting to start a band or want to start writing music, what advice would you give to them?
I would tell them to just do it. Don't let fear hold you back. Just do what you can with what you have. That's my biggest advice. Don't wait. Don't feel like you have to get like a nice guitar to play a show. Like learn to love cheap gear because that shit has mojo. I like cheap gear.
Um, when it comes to writing lyrics, what's your approach on that?
That's actually the thing I struggle with the most. I have a really tough time writing lyrics, and it's I don't know. It's weird because I used to be really into poetry as a young person, but the more I got into music, the more I kind of stopped caring about words and start caring more about pitches and notes. Because if it was up to me, I wouldn't need lyrics. I would just everything would be instrumental. But lyrics are nice. They're nice. They say stuff. But how do I go about it? I always try to write something out of my comfort zone. I try to like personify like objects that aren't real, or like I try to write a story about piece of paper, or like a pencil. But it's definitely different every time. I try to like go outside of my comfort zone. That's the best way.
So, with all this coronavirus stuff going on, have you been busy? Do you have any plans you're excited about for Flower Animals or your own I know you have other projects too.
Um, it really put a halt on everything. We had a couple shows coming up, and all that got canceled. But it's definitely gonna mean that it's more recording time. So it's gonna be crunch time with recording. I'm definitely gonna do a lot of home recording at home. So expect new stuff soon. All you. um, I've got I've got some solo releases that I've put up on in the Flower Animal Bandcamp. So that's floweranimals.bandcamp.com, and there you can find Flower Animals and just like solo Gonz stuff. I'm just calling it Gonz.
Nice. All right. Well, before we go, is there any last thing you'd like to say to our viewers?
Yeah, we just put out a song called Honey, and it's out on Spotify, Tidal, Google Play, Microsoft Groove, all of those, Deezer, Napster's back, so it's on Napster. It's on TikTok. If you got a TikTok, make a TikTok video with our music. Check it out. It's called Honey. It's our latest release, and we've been putting out a lot of singles in all those avenues as well. So thank you. I hope you guys enjoy the music.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in here with me and Gonzalo, Heart of Gold and the voice of an angel. Please check out his music and tune in next time. Peace!